I designed this project as a way of kind of reclaiming the selfie as a means of artistic expression. You know, hundreds of years ago, the only people who had their portraits taken were the kings and queens and rich and powerful people. The only people who had access to creating self-portraits were the incredibly skilled artists. And then fast forward to the 21st century, and everybody has a camera in their pocket that is capable and kind of designed for taking self-portraits. It's probably one of the most ubiquitous images on the internet. Is the self-portrait. What I plan to do with this workshop is to turn away from the idea of the self-portrait as an image of something that you look like, and maybe contain some elements of how you feel, or the kind of things that you're into, and how to use the self-portrait as a way of expressing yourself rather than just your image.